Want to clear up your Wix account or start fresh with a new project? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to the quickest way to delete your Wix website in just few simple steps. So if you click on here, you're gonna click on here and you're gonna go to all sites. Here you're gonna see all your sites, right? Here you're gonna see all your sites. So here we have listed. By the way, you can also view this way if you like to check the design of the website. So here I'm gonna click on list view, and now here where I like, maybe I like to delete multiple sites, but if you want to delete multiple sites, let's say 2, you're gonna have to check this button. You can also click on here to delete 10 out of 10 if you want to delete all your sites, even folders, because I have created here some folders. Then you can do it. And here you have move to folder. If you want, you're gonna move to a new folder or the site. But what you can do here, let's say I'll select 2, and then here you have, when I select, actually I don't want this one, this 2, I'll select 2 sites to delete. And by the way, actually I'm mistaken. When you select all, you don't have the option to delete, but I don't think you'll be in that situation to delete 10 sites on Wix. 2, yes, let's delete 2, and then you have move to trash here. You can also click on here, move to trash, or you can also here click on the 3 dots, and you also have this option here, move to trash. So you select, you don't even have to select. Even if you just click on the 3 dots here, you'll see move to trash. Then here I'll click move to trash. You're gonna move here to trash, and when you see this message is asking you if you want to delete a website called this website called, it's going to give you the name of the website, and if you choose to move it to the trash, it means that this site will no longer be visible to anyone. You won't be able to make any changes to it. So the good news is that even after you move it to the trash, the website isn't gone for good right away. It will stay in the trash for 90 days. During this time, you can still recover it if you change your mind. After 90 days will be permanently deleted. So if you actually have 2 options: either cancel the action or actually keep the website as it is, or confirm that you want to move it to the trash. So I'm going to click on here to confirm. Now moving the site to the trash, and now here where are we gonna have to go to check the trash? Well, you have here your actually all the websites, right? And here you're gonna see your trash. So now we're gonna have to click on the trash, and here you're gonna see sites that have been in the trash for more than 90 days will be permanently deleted, as I said before. And now here, if I want to delete this website, so it's not even in the trash, I can click on remove site. So I can remove site, so I will not be able to recover the site anymore. So also make sure you don't just remove a website and then you leave the website in the trash for more than 80 days, because you will not be able to recover the website. And now here also can restore the website. So if you delete the website, you can actually restore the website again, which is pretty cool, right? But here I'm going to click on remove site, and then what you have to do in the end is just to click on remove site. Okay, but I'm not going to do it because I actually need this. So I'll click on restore site. And now you can go here to my sites, and in here I have all the sites back to normal. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.